Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is May 12 is Mother's Day. Sa mga mami dyan, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na po sa nanay ko dyan. Happy Mother's Day, nanay. Thank you for everything. And salamat po sa lahat ng sacrifice mo sa akin. And I love you so much and I miss you. And again, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mami dyan. Enjoy your day today. Yes. Mommy, Happy Mother's Day for you!
Hi! Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you guys for the watching. Bye-bye! Mwah!